let me know in the comments what you would like to see. My plan is to do some short yoga, some like gentle stuff you can just do to unwind, especially if you're stuck at home. Hey, namaste, beautiful goddesses. You know my channel is for women who want to thrive up to and past 45, women who are living their lives despite anxiety, depression, or burnout. And so it's Vivine here, formerly Yogini Kala. I went back to using my birth name, and right now we're all going through so much with this coronavirus, issue here in the States. So I thought I would bring to you from my new home. Still got boxes. I love a wood stove. It's a little bit cool here, so I thought, well, that's a good reason to bring you a fireside chat. So we'll do some yoga or some meditation, especially if you're stuck at home. You could even try it with your children. I've had people who have seen my meditations. I remember one woman in particular, she started doing this with her little girl, and she said it was just amazing. So you'll maybe do it yourself first, and then you could practice it the next time with your child if you have like a child at home. So enjoy these fireside chats. Let me know what you'd like to see. My aim is for them to be calming and soothing. And so come to laying on your back, knees bent, feet hip distance apart, the toes pointing forward, and the arms down by your side. And on an in-breath, lift your hips up as high as you can towards the ceiling, pressing down through the arms, the palms facing down, and exhale, come back down. So it's an inhale, lift the hips up, rock from side to side, trying to get the hips as high as possible, and exhale, upper, middle, and lower back comes down. For the third time, go ahead and try to grab your ankles if possible, and then lift the hips up. Again, just moving gently, trying to get the muscles warmed up, press into the feet, press into the heels, and breathe. Exhale, coming down. Press the lower back down to the mat to release. And one more time, inhale, going up. You'll find you go a little bit higher, maybe just a half inch. The chest is coming towards the chin. The arms are straight. Holding on to the ankles if possible. Exhale down. And now grab both knees, pull the knees up, pressing into the belly, rock from side to side. Releasing out your lower back. From that back bend, we're going to go into a very nice and easy, gentle stretch. The right knee pulling up to the belly. Cross that right leg over the left and reach through the space. And pull that left knee up towards you. And the right knee is crossed over that left leg. Hold and breathe. You'll feel that along the buttocks, the back of the legs. It's a nice hip opener. Gently release. We'll do the other side. Cross the left. Actually bring the left foot up first, and then cross the left foot over the right thigh. Check in the video if you're not sure what I'm doing here. And if you have any knee problems, notice I'm holding under the calf. That's a little bit easier. That's a slight variation. And release it. Pause and breathe. Just notice how your hips and pelvis and lower body feel. You might feel tingling or warmth already, increased circulation. Now grab the right leg straight. If you can, reach to the calf, or anywhere you can, you're pulling that right leg straight up towards you. This is considered a forward bend and a nice balance to the back bend bridge pose that we did before. Nice and easy. Flex the heel up towards the ceiling, toes towards the head. Breathe and hold. Releasing. We'll go right to the other side, left leg up in the air, the heel towards the ceiling, toes pulling back towards the head. The leg is straight if possible. Again, this is yoga practice, so it can take some time as you'll find your body getting more and more flexible and the movement's getting more and more easy as you practice. Releasing that left leg down, feet flat again. The hands can rest on the belly as you just breathe. Unfold the arms out to the side now. Lift the feet off the mat, knees coming up, and drop the knees both towards the right side, towards the floor. So you're in a gentle twist. Nice and easy twist, inhaling and exhaling. You could take that right arm and gently rest it on the outside of the left leg as the knees are dropped towards the right, towards the floor. Getting ready to release, you could lift one knee at a time. Inhale and then exhale to the left side. Both knees drop over to the left. Take the left hand and you could rest it on the outside of the right thigh as I'm showing. The shoulder might be up in the air. See if you can press that right shoulder down. Come on up, one knee at a time, and then relax with knees bent, feet flat on the ground. Pausing to feel the effect of these gentle stretches as they create increased circulation in the body. And then just come on up to sitting, push yourself up, sit comfortably. I hope those very gentle stretches opened up the hips and left you feeling balanced, rooted, grounded. Subscribe if you haven't already. I'll be doing a little series of yoga stretches for you. You can do them anytime during the day that you feel you need a gentle break. Namaste.